I'm glad I'm off tomorrow.
Which one? Oh!
Fucking hate it.
If that would have been a party foul, we would have fought.
Oh no!
Hey, that's not very nice.
We could all throw in and we can go buy some more beer.
That's not very nice.
We could. LOL.
Kelsey, shut the door. What?
STD.
Talking lower. Talking lower, Cap.
What? Thank you.
Everybody needs to talk in lower caps.
I'm gonna
Kelsey!
do the back of my hair up like his bitch.
Hey, talk.
I lost all of
Yours. What?
As my ceiling hangs down.
You were in lower
What?
caps. I didn't hear you.
I have a bumpet.
What?
Man, this camera don't work.
I
Come here,
can't
Jennifer.
use my hair.
I'm all trying to take a picture like this.
She did it for me for my sister's wedding, and I wore.
I'm not used to these new cameras.
Come here.
And just this.
I'm not used to these new cameras, babe.
She did my hair for the wedding. Really? For my sister's wedding, yeah.
It looks pretty good. Except for my daughter.
Oh, when I said this.
Everybody STFU right now.
Oh, those things.
Come-
Yeah.
The top seats right.
I don't give it. I don't
Say hi.
Roger!
All right.
I don't give a damn about the tomatoes. But I want
I
to
just deleted it.
You're like,
What kind of Blackberry? No, that's a Samsung.
Everybody STFU.
that's Samsung gangster phone.
That's That's
Santa Blackberry Gold.
No,
Remember my eyes go.
Okay, everybody. I have something to tell everybody.
Saturday.
Everybody.
You know what? Fuck you.
I got my own.
No.
Are you saying fuck you to more?
Do you want to throw in? Wanna go?
Hey, is that Cap?
Here,
Oh.
give me some money. Me and Chris are gonna buy some beer.
That's got question
Where's
marks
that
in it.
money?
That's not
Okay.
refrigerator, nothing.
Baby, give him some money.
Yeah, put it in
Sorry.
your wallet.
Are you gonna throw up?
I thought you put it in here.
Because I'll.
Yeah, don't throw up.
Hold on, I gotta hurl. I gotta throw.
Don't throw up over the dick measure.
Kyla.
Sure.
Take a picture of my nipple.
All
Measuring
the
my
money would be
penis.
like right there.
Done. We don't want to know.
Rick, give her. There's not another
I thought
living
we was
here.
fixing to go home.
Really?
Okay,
You're off tomorrow.
there's like 8 people here, and I've only gotten $6. A beer run? I'm not running out with
Hey.
beer.
I already gave some.
That doesn't.
Candy, can we borrow your money?
Candy! Where's she at?
Paige! Stop it! Candy, we're calling you.
Kyla.
What's in here?
Babe, take a picture of me.
Anybody want to pitch in? Jeremy goes, I like Sprite.
$6. $6. Big Pippin!
I know, I get off easy.
Ask my dad what he wants.
$6.
Ask your dad.
Where's my money I gave you?
We
all
need some
ago?
beer money.
$6 and like 3 cigarettes.
Can I ask some of it back? No. Come on.
Dude, I want to play a game. I want to play so much.
Hey.
Candy! Your ass is too. I know.
Me and Chris are at the store.
Candy, $20.
6 more.
How much beer you gonna give us all that shit?
I don't know, we got
like $10.
We have plenty. What are we gonna get? 30 pack of Keystone?
Yeah, give me a 30
The
pack.
next day.
Keystone?
Sure.
The next day you're like,
Thank God.
Sushi.
Candace.
I gotta go meet Eric, baby.
Hey.
Then leave her with my mom.
You're in charge of her.
I'm what?
You're in charge of her.
I'm coming, hold on.